Hello everyone, this is Fans Politics Asia and a quick update from the Svatove-Kreminna Front. So, if you're not sure where is it, it's actually just off Luhansk uh, Oblast or the Luhansk People's Republic, depends on which side you are taking. And at the Svatove-Kreminna Front, the Ukrainian Defense Ministry reported multiple captures in this region. So they have captured Miasozharivka, Karmazynivka, Nevske, as well as Novosadove. And based on this information, DPA also assessed that has been captured by the Ukrainian forces as well. So this is at least 5 different settlements that was captured, and probably more on some of these locations that maybe is not named. And the Ukrainians are now currently trying to push for Chervonopopivka, and from this Makivka to Novosadove region towards Chervonopopivka. And that is the quick update. And please press the subscribe button, because this is actually a new channel, DPA War, and something that I'm trying to diversify away from the main channel, because there is a lot of stuff that we want to cover on the main channel in Asia. And given the fact that we have been covering so much of the Ukraine war, the YouTube algorithm is not giving the channel favors in helping us to spread the channel to other people, because it's not doing anything to do with the Ukraine war. So this is just how the YouTube works now. So we're trying to diversify, and we're going to push more and more of this war coverage over to this channel. And in this channel, we'll be also covering other wars as well. So it's going to separate away from the geopolitics, the economics, and other internal affairs that we'll want to cover more on the main channel. But on the main channel, of course, we'll also be covering some wars and some news from certain front lines and battle zones. So definitely we'll still be doing that. Just that diversifying away allows all these videos to be able to run its course, to spread to as many people as possible. So anyway, please support the channel. Please press the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next update.